we need to talk about one of the most painful contradictions in life: feeling utterly alone while lying right next to the person you promised forever to. There's a psychological truth about this feeling, and it's a difficult one to hear. If you feel lonely in a relationship, you're already halfway out of it emotionally. What does halfway out actually mean? It doesn't mean you've cheated or even mentally packed your bags. It means you've engaged in emotional detachment. Think of your relationship as two ships tied together. When you stop feeling connected, you haven't cut the rope, you've just retracted the anchor. You're still physically next to the other ship, but you're drifting apart with the tide. Your mind has subconsciously stopped relying on your partner for the core elements of intimacy: vulnerability, true communication, and validation. You're meeting your own emotional needs outside of the partnership, or you've simply given up trying. 3 signs you've emotionally checked out. This loneliness manifests in 3 major ways. Check yourself against these. 1. The absence of conflict. You stop fighting, but not because things are good. You stop fighting because you no longer care enough to invest the energy into repair. The silence is not peace, it's surrender. 2. Your first call is someone else. When you have big news, good or bad, your partner isn't the first person you want to tell. You seek comfort, celebration, or counsel from a friend, family member, or even a colleague. 3. No future tense. When you talk about the future, your language shifts. You talk about your plans, not our plans. You subconsciously delete them from your long-term picture because your heart is already picturing a life without them. Your 2-path choice. Feeling. This kind of loneliness is a powerful alarm, but it's not always the end. It is, however, an absolute fork in the road. Path A. The last-ditch effort. You choose to use this feeling as leverage. You sit down and have the most terrifyingly honest conversation of your life. You tell them, "I feel completely alone in this. I love you, but the emotional gap is killing me. We need to actively build closeness or I can't stay." This demands effort from both sides. Path B. The acceptance. If you have already tried Path A, or if the thought of trying makes you feel nothing but exhaustion and dread, that's your definitive answer. You accept that you've done the emotional work of leaving, and it's now time to align your physical reality with your emotional state. It's time to be brave and move forward alone. Loneliness is a relationship killer because it teaches you one of the hardest lessons: that you are self-sufficient and you don't actually need the person standing next to you. Don't let fear of the breakup keep you tethered to a connection that your heart has already severed. Your emotional well-being is too valuable to sacrifice for the sake of comfort or routine. Be honest with your partner, but most importantly, be honest with yourself. That lonely feeling is your ticket out. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and share your experience in the comments.